journey from this rugged, preserved skin to the supple leather of a luxury accessory is long and complex.
For 40 years, cameras were never allowed beyond this gate. This handbag begins with one certified Wagyu bull hide.
The serene landscape of Hyogo.
The inspection process begins the moment these valuable hides arrive.
The first step is crucial. Soaking the Wagyu hide in clear water begins the process of removing the salt. As the cloudy brine is slowly drained, fresh water cascades into the stone tank, ensuring the salt is completely removed from the hides. The soaking process is crucial, restoring the natural moisture lost during salt curing. The liming process is crucial. Over several days, this solution will gently loosen the hair and epidermis.
It takes time, but the quality is worth it.
Slow liming swells the fibers and loosens the hair, allowing for this gentle scraping. It's the first step in preparing the hide for a deeper clean.
The water is running clear here. Yes, the texture is perfect now.
Next, the hide enters the enzyme bath. This crucial step relaxes the collagen fibers, preparing the leather for softness. It is here, in the enzyme bath, that the fibers begin their slow relaxation, building the leather's inherent softness. The pickling bath, a precise balance of salt and mild acid, is essential. is true vegetable tanning, where hides are steeped in underground pits, a stark contrast to the quick drums used today. From the drying racks, the leather moves to the splitting machine, where precision engineering ensures exact thickness. We check every millimeter. Only perfect consistency ensures the quality required for a luxury piece.
We call this fat liquoring. The warmth opens the fibers, allowing the tallow to penetrate deep within.
We look for a smooth, supple bend. No cracking, no stiffness. This hide is perfect for luxury construction.
The conditioned leather is now ready for the semi-aniline drum, where it will finally achieve its signature deep cognac color. The conditioned Wagyu leather is now loaded into the traditional drum, beginning the signature color stage before the final transformation.
There we are. Let that settle now.
This semi-aniline finish protects the leather gently, enhancing the grain without concealing its natural beauty. The deep cognac leather requires careful inspection. We rotate the pattern to follow the grain, ensuring the longevity of the final product. Now we begin the handbag construction stage, cutting the first panel from the finest Wagyu leather. Next, the edges must be carefully thinned or skived before stitching can begin. This ensures a clean, professional finish.
The precision of this fold defines the bag's silhouette, requiring steady hands and careful alignment.
The saddle stitch ensures durability. Each hole is punched precisely, and the tension must be perfect to maintain the rounded profile.
Precision is everything here. A clean punch ensures the integrity of the handle attachment.